people from all corners now have access to media in many shapes and forms, ranging from a newspaper found in public places to the most popular smartphone in everyone's hand. After the second wave, these same mediums fell prey to spreading of fake and inaccurate news and information across India, ranging from people refusing to get vaccinated to preventing doctors from doing checkups. Fake news and misinformation ensued a chaos amongst not only the general public but also within the individual as well. The effects of such fake and baseless messages were not limited to COVID affected people only. They also affected people who were healthy and were needing aid of precautions. Because of baseless and misinformed messages on social media, people started taking steps which were unnecessary and had no relation to immunity or precautions related to their health, like drinking cow urine to building body immunity to worshipping coronavirus. Our solution to the problem of people not having any means to make well-informed decisions, we have come up with the platform named Checkmate. Checkmate will help the users overcome the difficulty of cross-checking and verifying fake and inaccurate news and information. The homepage of the app is minimal, where you can simply come and type in or copy-paste the link of doubtful information source or insert an image to get your query verified and answered. Top existing threads related to your interests will come up. If you are still not satisfied with the results, you can post the doubtful information up on a forum, which will then be responded by the verified users who have the knowledge in that particular area. The Check tab will display queries of your knowledge areas in a game-like manner raised by others. The Explore tab is customized according to your interests so that you stay informed on the trending queries and doubtful information relevant to you, so as to avoid any irrelevant content coming up in your feed. If you enable the extension of our app, it will draw over your internet browser apps and social media platforms so as to inform you about the information which is uploaded.